Visit Randall Neighbors at 455 Skyline Drive, Center Point, Texas. It's May 23rd, 2024. This will be flush number 11 on the hall bath. It has not moved. There's still 95% of the poop and all of the paper are still in this line after 10 flushes. So we're going to do number 11, and I'll probably do one more. So let's do it. Boy, that's just draining the tank. 3.5 gallons. All right, let's go out and see what comes out. I should have got this door open. It takes about 1 minute and 5 seconds for it to get to the wet well, so I'm probably good. Let's see if I can block the wind from the wind's making a lot of noise on the microphone. Now, I was blessed with twins. Had a bowel movement early this morning, and then I had another one about 30 minutes ago. So it's waiting to be flushed in the master bath toilet to show the difference. That will, it's been my experience, it'll move that and clear that line in 2 flushes. But unfortunately, I need to go be able to flush that toilet to clear the line of this load from the hall bath toilet. So I'm going to have to go get me a glove and pick the stuff out of there and put it in a bucket so I can flush that toilet. Anyway, the things I do for love. Anyway, it's not going to be coming. But I do have to let this drain on out. So this was flush number 11. Still no poop, paper. At least no poop of any size bigger than a kernel of corn. Anyway, flush number 11. Over and out.